Oru Manusham, meaning a human being, written by Vaikom Muhammad Bashir. He is a Malayalam short story writer and a novelist, and he received awards Central Sahitya Academy Award and Padma Shri Award. If you know only two languages, Hindi and English, most of them they do not know either of this language, and this can land you in many predicaments. Dangerous situation, a total stranger rescues you. Even after years passes by, you will sometimes remember the man and wonder why did he help you. Narrator narrates his incidents. He says there were many good men and thieves around. It was a quite big city in the valley of a mountain, 1500 miles away from narrator's home. People were very cruel, murder, robbery, big. These were daily occurrence. He stayed in that city in a very small dingy room on dirty street, and he carried a profession of teaching English to some migrant laborer. To write address in English, English was considered great education there. People who write address at the post office. They were paid anything between 1 anna and 4 annas for writing an address. Narrator sleeps all day to save his morning tea and breakfast. And as usual, he get up at 4 p.m. and he had some 14 rupees. He entered a crowded restaurant and ate full meal consisting of chapati and meat curry. He drank tea as well. The bill came to 11 annas. He put his hand in his coat pocket to pay it. He began sweating profusely and almost digested an instant all that he had eaten. The reason was he has lost his wallet. Owner of the hotel that someone has picked his pocket. The owner gave a loud cough, startling everyone around. He caught him by the lapel of his coat and shaking, he cried, "This trick won't work here. Put the money down and go, or else I will gouge your eyes out." Took his coat and gave to the manager, asking him to give the time. Narrator manager of the hotel started shouting at him to remove his shirt, to remove his trousers as well. So everybody started laughing around him. Narrator imagined himself naked without his eyes. I heard a voice saying, "Stop, I shall pay the money." There stood a fair complexioned man, 6 foot tall, with red turban and white trousers. He supported a handlebar mustache and a blue eyes. Blue eyes were quite common at this place. He came forward and asked the restaurant keeper, "How much did you say it was?" 11 annas. He paid the amount. He turned to me and said, Narrator expressed his gratitude and narrator asked his name. He said, "I have no name." "In that case, your name must be Mercy." Man took about 5 wallets and pointed to his wallet. "Which of this is yours?" He asked me to check my wallet, my money, and he told me, "Go, may God help you." I repeated, "May God help you too." The moral of the story is in this evil world, there are some angels who come to rescue as in any predicaments. They are no other than a true Oru Manusham, a good human being who always help the needy. Pocketing.